crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I'm coming to you with my Says Stamp card kit. I'm very excited that it's here. You can get that opened. And let's see. I love the Says Stamp card kits. I have a subscription, but the best part about that is that if you don't like it, you can skip that month. And they also, you can add in extra products at no additional shipping charge. And you also started getting free gifts, which is always exciting. So this month, the free gift is this embossing folder. And this is called the Dotted Diamond. Look at it, it's kind of an optical illusion. So that's pretty cool. And then I took advantage of the add-on, and I added on the dies for this set. This kit is called Beautiful and Curious. So it has all the dies for that. So let's get this out. We'll check it out. I love also too with the Says Stamp kits is that they sell a lot of the product individually even when the kit is coming out, instead of having to wait till the next month to be able to get, you know, the stamp set or whatever, like some other companies. Like, you can usually get everything individually right then too. So if you really like one piece but not the other, you can grab that. So so what I will do is I will list the kit, but I will also list all the individual items too, so you can check them out if you like them. I'll put that in the description box. And I do have affiliate links. But everything will be there for you. Ooh, this stuff falling out. Look at all that already. Alright. Here is the kit. Lots of stuff. Oop, we have a map. Alright, let me get it. That's exciting. So in case you didn't know, this kit was created with Tim Holtz. So if you're looking at the pieces and you're like, that's very Tim Holtz. Well, yeah, it is. Alright, so here is our map. So we have the Beautiful and Curious, and this is the April kit, and mine just had arrived, so I wanted to share that with you. Lots of examples of things that you can make. So we will look and look. Let's see. The first thing is we have a coupon, $5 off. So the code is LEAP24. So LEAP24, and you get $5 off. This expires in August 25th. So you have lots of time to use this. So make sure you write it down somewhere and use it for your shopping. You get a lollipop. Alright, let's check this out. So look at this. Look at this. I just can't even. Yeah. So you can imagine why I wanted this one. But I love these florals, the splotches, the fonts on this. You make my heart smile. I just love that. And this little spray there. A lot of like script. You could do a lot of really cool mixed media techniques with these background splotchy things. So I did get the coordinating die set to go with that. And these are actually all snipped apart, which is pretty awesome. So there is the stamp set. And then next we have, this is brand new. This is a half sheet of Says Stamp Ice Vellum. So it is pretty frosty. Yeah, look at that. It is white. There is a sheen, like a splotchiness to it that looks really cool. So that's fun. Alright, this, then the patterned paper. This is from the Tim Holtz Idea-ology Wallflower 8x8 paper pack. and it's an assortment that would be in your box, but just look at this, like really like amazing. So the front has, you know, the it's more busy, and then the back is more neutral. So gorgeous. Like, just take this chunk and just put it on a card front. Take this, put it on a card front, you're good to go. Very easy. Oh, look at this. This would be great for a masculine card. Oh, look at that. Like birdcage advertisements. It's so funny. Oh, that's pretty. I like the sales ledger. And this one's got all the etymology stuff. And that. So you get 6 sheets of that. Then you get 4 assorted distress crayons. These are awesome. They're water reactive, so you can paint with them, you can color with them, you can smear, you could do all kinds of stuff. The colors I got were peeled paint, abandoned coral, stormy sky, and worn lipstick. And they're, I don't know if you've ever seen them before, but they're just like a really soft crayon, and they blend awesome. Alright, we get a mini Distress Archival ink, and this is in black soot. And this is waterproof, quick drying, you can paint right over it, it's awesome. And you can use it to stamp on like acetate, vellum, things like that that don't usually dry very well. You can use that. So that is fabulous. Then we have a pack of deco foil transfer sheets, and this is in the copper. They're very shiny, so I don't want to blind you. But these would be used in a laminator, a mink, a fuse, that kind of a thing. And then we have, this is the Says Stamp Lucky Sentiment Strips, and these are foilable. So you could use this foil, run it through the laminator, and then you would have these all foiled. So that is very cool. Also, alright, let's see. You can get a water brush pen. Let me check this one. Oh, this one has a really nice tip. And then this screws off, and it screws off kind of opposite of what you would think. So don't try to force it or break it or whatever. It just goes the opposite way. But this is a great tip on that one. Alright, let's see. We have a metallic khaki envelope. This is from Says Stamp, and this is really pretty. Iridescent. And then we have some, oh, we actually have a little piece of thread. This is 12 inches of May Arts Ivory twine. Enough for a nice little bow on your project. Then we have the cardstock. This is just gorgeous. I haven't had this color yet. This is Says Stamp, and this is steel. And this is 100 pounds, so it's very heavyweight. Very nice. Then we have a sheet of Says Stamp Ivory, and this is 110 pound. And then we have the Neenah Solar White, and this is in 110 pound, it says. So that is that. So this is our kit. We have all these amazing contents this month. These papers are just gorgeous. And this vellum, like, even if you just want to pick up a pack of this vellum, like, that is fabulous. And then the stamp set, and the die set is extra. I got that as an add-on. And then this was the freebie this month for being a subscriber. We have our Archival link, our twine, our water brush, and our crayons, and our lollipop. So, and don't forget the coupon. Leap 24 all the way until August. So that's fabulous. Okay, so I will list everything here. And that is that. Come join me over on Facebook. I post cards, videos, any crafty sales I come across. So it's a good resource for you. And come join me over on my new blog at egidesigns.com. And if you aren't already a subscriber, I would love it if you would hit that button. I would love to have you as a new subscriber. It really helps out my channel and helps me grow. So that is it. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Take care. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.